Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about password protect selected section in OneNote. If you would like to keep certain sections private while sharing your notes, you can add password protection. Password protection to those specific sections. Then when a user attempts to open those sections, they will have to enter the correct the correct password before they are let in. To add password protection, right click the section you want to protect and choose password protect this section from the menu. Select set password in the sidebar to the right. Then enter the password you would like to use for the selected sections. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.